kaya kung anong mga rebellion na mga pinaggagawa nila. It's because I think, it's not because inherently masasama yung mga batang ito. It's more of they lack, you know, an inspiration, a motivation that they can be better and greater than what they are doing now.
Correct.
Yes.
And I think, yun nga kasi let's, first of all, parang let's give naman din, let's say, the parents or the older generation the benefit of the doubt, because one of the challenges that we have, yung mga parents, you know, the older generation now, is that they are the first, or they are the last low-tech generation to parent, to teach, to mentor the first high-tech generation. In other words, wala tayong manual.
Wala talaga.
Walang manual eh. There's no, you know, previous generation who will tell you, anong ganito dapat or whatever, diba? So let's
parang yung mga sinasabi lang, merong mga parenting skills na book na sinusundan nung araw, diba? So pagbago kang kasal, magbabasa ka noon, lalo pag nagbubuntis ka.
Yes.
Ganito papalitan ng diaper si baby. Ganito, that was in the 80s and 90s. Eh ngayon iba na.
Exactly. But in itong generation na to ng mga digital natives, hindi ba? Kumbaga, wala pa tayo nung previous experience that we can bank on. Kumbaga, we are still part of the ongoing evolution and revolution, hindi ba? I think for me personally, siguro yung kinaiba ko kasi kay Sir Pochola, late bloomer kasi ako in terms of, you know, youth advocacy and youth empowerment. So, kaya nga ang tawag nila sa akin dun sa organization namin is Ate Ada, because by